Hi, thank you for joining me. We have about 44 hours left in the Troy Running League's July segment, which is being hosted by our friends at The Ruck, getrucked.com. And I'm just so excited that it's turned into an actual race. That was a bad reaction, but we're going to leave that in. We don't have time for edits. The race is for this, my friends. It is for the buckle. Because why not? I like buckles, and I think buckles have an important legacy in distance running. With just, as I said, 44 hours left, we have some interesting things going on between 4 runners, roughly. We have 2 runners competing for first place. They are, and I'm just going to use first name and initial, Peter T. and Keith M. And they're really close. I think both of them are capable of big miles, and both of them are going to lay down some huge miles this week. Yay! And then the battle for 4th. It's between Ben F. and Kevin M. And as of this recording, there is 1 segment between the 2 of them, which is just wild. I know both are capable of, again, big miles. Both could easily be in the top, could finish in the top. They could lay down that type of distance over the weekend. And I can't tell you how excited and gratified I am by this. So, if you want to see how it all works out, come down to the Ruck on Sunday, July 26th at 1 p.m. We close off the segments at noon, and then we're going to have a little get-together. We're going to present the buckle to the winner. We are going to give gift certificates to the people on the podium, and we're going to present our Spirit Award winner with their prize. Unfortunately, I'm not going to physically have the prize ready. I'm not going to use that vendor again. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing everybody Sunday at the Ruck. And if you're interested, there's still time for you to get on the segment, and there's going to be another segment in August. Stay tuned to the YouTube channel, stay tuned to the Instagram feed or our Facebook page, or go to the website www.runtroy.com. Remember to head to the Ruck, tip your servers well. I really enjoy the wings, and have yourself a beverage of your choice.